Welcome to another episode of Nepal Drive's Grease Monkey Mondays, powered by Gulf Lubricants. In this episode, we will guide you through the process of changing a flat tire. It is a very basic but essential skill which will help you get out of sticky situations should you find yourself in one. And to guide you through this, we have the head mechanic from Suzuki Service Center, Mr. Razan Tungana. To begin, you will require a lug wrench, a jack, and a spare tire, all of which should be in your car's boot. First, as soon as you realize you have a flat tire, do not abruptly brake or turn. Slowly reduce speed and scan your surroundings for a safe spot to stop. Once parked, turn on the hazard lights and put on the parking brakes. The right place for the jack is usually beneath the vehicle frame alongside the tire that's flat. Many vehicle frames have molded plastic on the bottom with a cleared area of exposed metal specifically for the jack. To safely lift and avoid damage to the vehicle, follow the instructions for jack placement in your vehicle owner's manual. Now, with the jack properly positioned, raise the vehicle until the flat tire is about 6 inches above the ground. A word of caution though, never put any part of your body under the vehicle during or after raising the vehicle. Using the lug wrench, turn the lug nuts counterclockwise until you break the resistance. You may have to use force, and that's okay. Use your foot or all of your body weight if necessary. Loosen the lug nuts about 1/4 to half of a turn, but don't remove them completely yet. You can now remove the lug nuts completely and pull the tire towards you. Place the spare on the hub by lining up the rim with the lug bolts. Push gently until the lug bolts show through the rim. Put the lug nuts back on the lug bolts and tighten them all the way by hand. You will tighten them with the wrench after lowering the vehicle to the ground. Use the jack to lower your vehicle to the ground. At this point, you should tighten the lug nuts with the wrench, turning clockwise as much as you can. Push down on the lug wrench with the full weight of your body. You can now take your flat tire to the mechanic to get it reinflated. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Grease Monkey Mondays. Subscribe to our channel for more automotive content from Nepal. Also, hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos. Leave a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments below.